My name is Tom Trumbull from Trumbull Campbell Associates, one of the partners in our company. We're manufacturers representatives for air conditioning and heating equipment. Today, we're replacing two Trane rooftop units from the rooftop at one Devonshire building, 75 tons apiece. There's Trane rooftop units on the job now, and they're about 30 years old. They've lived their useful life, and we're replacing them with two new AAON 75-ton rooftop units.
Helicopter lifts are always exciting, and they're very unique, labor intensive, as you can see by all the people here. We got about 20 police officers here. All the roads are shut down. The flight paths of the helicopter, every street had to be shut down, and any building that is being flown over, the top two floors have to be evacuated. So there's a lot of prep in that. Obviously, a lot of safety concerns. This is one of those days where you kind of hold your breath until it's all done.
Yeah, my name is Steve Rivas, and construction manager with Erickson Air Crane. And basically manage and coordinate these specialty lift jobs we do around the world. The first and foremost key, of course, is the safety of the job and everybody involved. So, at the end of the day, we need to make sure that the aircraft can perform its mission within the regulatory requirements, and all the personnel are capable and willing. Working underneath the rotorcraft is similar to normal ground crane operations, but it comes with a little higher noise level and rotor wash effects that they're not used to. So that's primarily, the training / briefing is for those reasons, to point out the differences from their normal job with the land crane to doing the same work with the helicopter.
We work with in this case, the mechanical contractor, JM Service, in selecting the equipment to provide the cooling capacity and heating capacity required to maintain the space temperature. We assist them in the application of the unit to make sure that there's enough capacity that we meet the design intent of the building. These units move air down into the building for ventilation and cooling and heating. They have mechanical cooling to cool the air as it comes into the building and filter it and dehumidify, and basically make sure that the space is comfortable for the tenants.
A lot of the people then think the structural steel should be flown in and all in one piece. A lot of the contractors who bid this were going to demo the unit that was existent and put the structural steel in place before the rooftops came. I decided to put the structural steel all together in two platforms, one on the south and one on the north roof. And that way there, when the AAON units came, they were all in place and everything was all set. And to see the project all done right now, it's amazing.